Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Oke, Sobat Getris. Now I will teach all of you how to wait a minute here. What happened? Okay, yeah. Okay, now I will teach all of you how to use facility rotate, duplicate, and so on. Okay, I have object like this. Yeah, object like this. Now I will try to use guideline like this. Yeah, guideline. I use this. Yeah, that's a center of this object. I will check first this object has okay. I will ungroup first. Yeah, okay, let's check. Okay, let's check it. This object I have 60 millimeters weight. I have 60 millimeter weights. If I want to duplicate and use transformation, you can use this. Yeah, enter on this, apply to duplicate. You will see the duplicate is here. Yeah, okay, I will try to use. Okay, now I will active view. Okay, snap to object. Yeah, okay, snap to object. Okay, it will be snap to this object. Now I have this object with this is 120 millimeters. Okay, now I will grouping, and then we can use Ctrl C Ctrl V like this. Yeah, okay, once again Ctrl V like this. Yeah, now I will rotate to 90 degrees. I have 10 look like this. Yeah, and here minus 90 degrees, and use like this. Okay, set and Ctrl C Ctrl V, and I use mirror vertical. Okay, I will turn off. Okay, turn on. Duplicate, use mirror vertical, and we can use apply. Nah, that's it. Yeah, move clear. Now I have 120 millimeters square for this. Yeah, if we want to use guideline, you can use this center point like this. Yeah, like this, or we can use 0 point with this. Now it's 0.0, and here I think minus 120 millimeters, and I'm sure here the center point is on negative 6 60 millimeters. That's the center point of all object. Okay, now we can lock this guideline. We can lock this guideline. Okay, it's great. Oh, sorry. Now I want to apply to mirror. Wait. Okay, mirror horizontal. Yeah. Okay, that's it. It's a mirror. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, and we will try to rotate this object. Now we can move center point of this object to here. Intersection. Now the point 0 point is here. Yeah, 0.0. We can use or choose this object and find transformation rotate like this. Yeah, use angle. Maybe I want to use 90 degrees and center point is 0.0 here. Okay, if we want to apply to duplicate, the result look like this. Okay, once again. Okay, once again. That's it. It's clear. It's finished. Yeah, we can use duplicate with mirror, and we can use snap to guideline and snap to object, and we use 0 point from here and move here. That's it. That's the center wave. If we finish, we can combine maybe, yeah, ungroup all and combine all. After that we can choose and coloring, maybe online, maybe, yeah, and so on. If you want to create this motif, yeah, I will create this and give my friend to make a batik style. The plan is here I want to put their logo. Yeah, okay, I will try to. Okay, now let's try Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's try another. Let's make a quick, I think. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I will repeat here. I will repeat. Okay, I will teach all of you, and then click over part. Now will delete, yeah, like this. Okay, it's a value. Okay, now I will to make this a bit more. Okay, combine. I will maybe 70%. Okay, and I want to move here maybe we'll check it first. Okay, move here, that's it. Yeah, okay, here I want to move here the 0 point. Let's try. Yeah, I use rotate. Okay, it's 0.0. Let's try. Apply to duplicate, apply to duplicate, apply to duplicate. I will give this here their logo. Okay, thank you for watching. Next I will teach you another style. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.